Welcome to the Seller Roundtable e-commerce coaching and business strategies with Andy Arnott and Amy Wees.
One of our listeners had this question about if they want to go to the factory themselves. So let's say I'm going to China and I want to go to the factory myself to check it out. Can I bring a QIMA factory auditor with me?
Yes.
How do I set that up?
So you book the audit online and you let your account manager know that you'll be there during the audit. So we'll make sure that we have the auditor that we send in is a English-speaking auditor, okay, and might be able to do some translation for you. I have a few audits or requests this way, and we can definitely do that for you. And I think that's one of the best ways is really go and see your suppliers with an auditor so that the auditor can point out to you like, hey, these are the things that needs to be improved at this factory that could directly affect the quality of your product.
Yeah, just like if you're going to go buy a house, you have a house inspector come out and check things out and let you know, because you're not a builder, you're not a manufacturer.
Yes.
You need to understand when when the roof is coming down or is about to. So
Yeah.
I definitely think it's really great to go and look at the factory and just pay attention, like look around and see, how do the workers seem happy? Do they, ask, your factory owners are, how much do you pay your workers? And look at, how many hours do they work and where do they live and all of those kind of things. And then also, you should be really comfortable with the way that your product is produced. Learn about the manufacturing process that is used and how much time it takes. But having that auditor right there with you to point out those things that you might not see with your own eyes, or you might not think to ask about is really good peace of mind. Now, does it cost the same thing if I ask them to come with me in person? Is it still around that $600 price point?
Yes, there's no extra cost on that.
That's wonderful. That's really great.
Yes.
I love it.
And if you do plan to do that, so as I mentioned, reach out to your QIMA account manager to let them know that you're coming, so that we know what the expectations are and we can advise our auditor what to look out for, and so that we can properly coordinate that for you. And again, there's no additional cost on doing that.
Thanks for tuning in. Join us every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for live Q&A and bonus content after the recording at SellerRoundtable.com. Sponsored by the ultimate software tool for Amazon sales and growth, SellerSEO.com and AmazingAtHome.com.